it's important that we accelerate the transition to sustainable energy. That's why electric cars, it matters whether electric cars happen sooner or later. We're really playing a crazy game here with the atmosphere. We're taking vast amounts of carbon from deep underground and putting this in the atmosphere. This is crazy. We should not do this. It's very dangerous. So we should accelerate the transition to sustainable energy. The bizarre thing is that obviously we're going to run out of oil in the long term.
They own and control the corporations. They've long since bought and paid for the Senate, the Congress, the state houses, the city halls. They got the judges in their back pockets, and they own all the big media companies, so they control just about all of the news and information you get to hear. They got you by the balls.
There's only so much oil we can mine and burn. It's tautological. We must have a sustainable energy transport and energy infrastructure in the long term. So we know that's the end point. We know that. So why run this crazy experiment where we take trillions of tons of carbon from underground and put it in the atmosphere and oceans? This is an insane experiment. It's the dumbest experiment in human history.
Air pollution is now the biggest environmental risk for early death. We are taking a look at how this hazard impacts all of our health. Air pollution isn't just an ugly sight. It's responsible for more than 6 million premature deaths every year. Children, the elderly, minorities, and low-income communities are most vulnerable to environmental health effects.
That is how the fossil fuel industry works. They exploit people so that they can make a profit.
Youth are the ones who have been really living with the pollution in the air, the droughts, the wildfires.
A recent study found children who are exposed to air pollution are more likely to contract community-acquired pneumonia and be hospitalized for longer.
Other research has shown air pollution might increase the risk of lung cancer, asthma, emphysema as well. It's also been linked to cardiovascular disease, neurological disorders, and other cancers.
This is why Tesla matters. Growing up next to these refineries, growing up in this particular area, growing up with my family, working and living directly near these refineries and this air pollution, this is why Tesla matters to me. This is why I'll continue to invest into the company. This is why this American company matters. Thanks for watching and supporting this channel. We'll see you next time. Peace.
Well, we know what they want. They want more for themselves and less for everybody else. But I'll tell you what they don't want. They don't want a population of citizens capable of critical thinking. They don't want well-informed, well-educated people capable of critical thinking. They're not interested in that. That doesn't help them. That's against their interest. That's right.